Hi all, I'm Loendi from legitblueprint.com. I've been on the internet for quite a while, and I thought today would be a good day sharing my journey and showing you what it really looks like being an online marketer, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call yourself. So, as usual, my paper, as I won't remember everything, as I want to explain how my journey went. Firstly, I'm a healthcare professional. I've been working since 1979. Yes, some of you were not even born by then. But anyway, I enjoyed my job. I enjoyed being a nurse, caring for people in the hospital. But as usual, short staff, long hours, not getting everything as you wanted, it became tough. I had my kids, 4 kids, all wonderful, nice, cost money, as you all know. But I kept on working in a hospital as a healthcare professional. We also planned when we were getting the children through school, when will they go to college, what is the next step, when will they get married, and so and so. And if you plan, things might work out. But what I've learned, retirement, when we get to retirement where I am now, the money was not enough. So I had to quickly think on how can I enhance my entire retirement to be able to travel, to be able to do the nice things that we're supposed to do when we retired. And that's why I started my affiliate marketing in 2017. This was my first time of starting with affiliate marketing. As usual, no experience, no techie stuff. I didn't know anything. As a nurse, I could do all the things. But as digital, online, technical with a computer, definitely not me. Anyway, I started with making money online and find a very good mentor who I joined up with. And it went well. There's a lot of things that I had to learn. It wasn't easy. And if people tell you it's easy, don't believe them. It's never easy. I was putting a lot of effort in. I was doing everything. I was so dedicated. Every Sunday, 4 o'clock in the morning, I had my webinar. I was up, set my alarm, and listened to what I had to do. There was not a one day that I missed this webinars. But in the other end, I sold low tickets. And if you sell low tickets, you have to sell a lot to make your money. So what I find, even if it was an ecosystem, what everything else they buy will be part of my commission, it never came to enough that I can say, quit my job, leave what I'm doing, and go full-time into online. So I was looking around at other things that I could add to my online business. And that's how I started with dropshipping. I started a yoga shop online, which I was very proud of. I spent about 3 months to 6 months working on the shop, getting everything ready, all the pictures, all the things I'm selling, yoga mats, everything that goes with yoga. And then I also had a meditation section where I had some meditation music and I had some stones and all those things that's part of meditation. So I was very proud when I eventually opened my yoga shop in June. Can I say, I think it was June 18, June 19? Anyway, so that's how I started. And with anything, you have to advertise. It took a little bit of time, but slowly my shop was picking up. And then, devastating, the next year, Corona-19. Everything went to a stop. No more dropshipping products were delivered. No more shops could handle any of these, especially if you are connected to dropshipping or you have to deliver products which were not allowed, especially from China. So I had to close my shop with a sad feeling after all the hard work and my future, what I saw in there, nothing could I do. I closed the shop and went back to more mentors who could help me, and I was starting to look for high tickets to be affiliates for. So then I started in 2020, end of 2020, I got a few mentors, and as you know, it's not easy. No matter who's the mentor, your platform change, your things that you have to do change, the system change. Everybody has their own plan and their own way of doing things. Well, I was not going to quit. I knew why I was doing it, because for retirement. And of course, I would love to travel. I would love to go on a cruise. And that's my why. I need to have retirement money. So then I started with affiliate marketing, signing up for one guru after another. They promise you the world, you pay a lot. At the end, I'm stuck. I get halfway, and then there's something missing in the plan. And that's why I decided, no, change the guru. Maybe somebody better is coming along. And so I was doing it 2, 3, 4 times with the same thing every time. I'm a copy of the guru. I have to copy what they do. I'm not me. I'm not myself. And one even said, I'm not trainable. They can't work with me because I don't do what they tell me to do. And I don't listen to what they want me to do. But where's my part of my business? Isn't it my business as well? I would love to be a little bit of myself in my own business. So this went on for another year or two. And then 2022 came. It was a tough year. I had to move. I had to change. Lots of things happened. And I moved to UK. And this is where I started with the final gurus, I hope. But I think I made it to the right place. I have met Nate and Flip from Group Juice, which is awesome. I started again, fully planned to do. I will do everything they say. I will follow the system and the plan, and I will make this work for me. Now, through the time, I always had some income and I always had some successes, but never enough, and never enough to say it's consistent that I can live from the money, from the income. So here I am again, starting a new affiliate marketing with a new team, with new products, which I totally believe in. I can tell you, once I saw this, I knew. And they were really, how can I say, I feel I can trust them. I have a different feeling from Nate and Flip. And this time, I know I'm in the right place. So if you have the same story and you have the same issues, never see the light, never see any results, or results that's not where you want to be, I at least want 5 to 10K a month. And I'm on my way. And it's going to happen very soon. So DM me and I will show you what you can do. I had enough of trying and never reaching my end goal. So my eye is on the goal. I'm focused. I put my head down and I'm working. And this is how I'm going to be successful by the end of the year. So work with me and become successful by the end of this year. So please DM me and ask. I will send you the link and I will support you with the 2 gurus that I'm working with. They don't call themselves gurus. They just normal blue-collar workers from the normal life as we know. And they have a heart, a real person with a heart who wants to help others. So I'm really happy that I met them and that I'm able to share them with my group and my people that I know also struggling with affiliate marketing. So if you sign up and ask me to help, they, both 6-figure gurus, will support me and you to become successful. They have also lifetime weekly session of questions and answers, helping each student that they're working with. At the moment, I know we're about 300 students that they are focusing on, quite a lot, but we're getting there. So please DM me if you want to know more about this awesome group and awesome mentors that will make you successful in 2022. Thank you for listening. Watch me. I'm going to make it by December. I will have my cruise planned for 2023. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.